your girl, your internet sis, Lady Adri. I'm back with another video, a DIY if you will. I am getting into these knotless braids, honey. I usually do my own braids, but I've always wanted knotless, and I seen a crochet method of it all. Not braiding your hair, you know, in cornrows and then adding the hair. No, it's individuals, because I cannot stand, I can't stand the cornrow crochet braids. I want clean parts, and they don't even have to be perfect parts, but I want, if I flip my hair this way, I don't want to see a braid in between. That's just me. That's me. So if you want to see what I used, how I did my hair, make sure you stay tuned. Let's get into what I used to create this simple look. When I say simple, I mean simple. It's very simple. It didn't take that long. And even if you had a friend to help you crochet the hair while one braids, shout out to Olivia, because she did help me put a couple in the back, because I was like, I just want to take a nap. I want to go to bed. I tried to go straight through, but I was just like, you know what? Let me take this good old nap, okay? So getting into what I use, I have one of these thread holders that I split my hair up in. Murray's Edge Wax. I really don't like the extra hold, but that's all they had at the store. So the regular Murray's Edge Wax, if I can talk. Murray's Edge Wax, the regular one, I usually use to define my parts. Shine and Jam, I usually use to, I use down the braid to kind of keep that slip, and to keep everything looking neat. I use a rat tail comb with the braider's edge on it. I have my wide tooth comb to detangle before and during the hair braiding process. Of course, you can grab you a couple of clips to keep your hair away. And last but not least, a edge brush to slick the edges when you are done. So if you want to see how to create these lovely crochet knotless braids, stay tuned. So in this clip, I left a small piece of hair out just so I can show you guys how I split the hair to braid the individual braids. And I'm sure I don't really have to explain how to do the single braids, but you can see as I am parting, parts are not perfect. Once I got to the top, I stopped caring. I guess I should have maybe started to part the front first and let the back be whatever, but I think I did pretty good for doing this all by myself. And I want to say this process took maybe 45 minutes, but no more than an hour. I will say I was very pleased at how neat the parts and the braids were, so I was very excited to get started. One tip that I will tell you is that when you are braiding your hair, keep in mind to not braid too tight, because you want to take into account the hair that you still have to crochet through your actual braid. Even though watching this is pretty self-explanatory, I just want to explain what I am doing. So after you crochet the hair through your braid, you want to break the hair up, taking a small piece from each section of the extension to form one piece with your braid. Once you have all 3 sections, you can then start braiding. Okay, so here I seen a piece of my hair sticking out, and that's just the piece I'm not cutting. I do still have a problem with tucking hair properly, but what I did was unbraided the braid a bit to put some jam, or you can put the edge wax on and try to tuck the hair through the extension and then continue to braid down, just watching that your natural hair does not peek through the extension. Y'all, I'm just so excited at how natural this looks, and it really looks like a knotless braid even though it's a crochet braid. I am super duper excited about this hairstyle. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you try this style out, make sure you comment below and tell me how your process went. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I am posting, and follow on IG and TikTok at _Lady Adri. See you guys next time.